my love for you goes strong. As long as we're together, who cares about the weather? Listen to the falling rain, listen to it fall. And with every drop of rain I can hear you call. Call my name right out loud. I can hear above the clouds, and I'm here among the puddles. You and I together huddle. Listen to the falling rain, listen to it rain. It's raining, it's pouring. The old man is snoring. Went to bed and bumped his head. Couldn't get up in the morning. Listen to the falling rain, listen to it pour. And with every drop of rain, you know I love you more. Let it rain all night long. Let my love for you go strong. As long as we're together, who cares about the weather? Listen to the falling rain, listen to it fall. And with every drop of rain I can hear you call. Call my name right out loud. I can hear above the clouds, and I'm here among the puddles. You and I together huddle. Listen to the falling rain, listen to it rain. Listen to the falling rain, listen to it rain. Listen to the falling rain, listen to it rain. I want to thank you for your indulgence in me playing around with GarageBand a little bit. And when you get your practice sheet for this song, great song by Jose Feliciano, he wrote it around 1969, you'll see that it starts out in E minor. And I played this in 4 different tracks. One of them was just using this 3rd string as a bass line. The other thing I did was just a downward strum. And another thing that I did was picking, and this is a little bit of an unusual pattern, but it's just using the string 1, 2, and 3 to pick. So using my thumb, my pointer, and my middle finger, I went 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Get the idea. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Another thing that I did in my strumming pattern now, and you'll because I wanted to use closed chords so I could get the rhythmic pattern, is I barred at the 2nd fret and then continued to make that E minor shape, if you will. So it's 2, 4, 3, 2 here. It's barred, and actually that chord is an A7 sus2. You can hear that string makes it a little different. Here's an E minor. Here's with it barred. But by doing that I can mute the strings. And also when it switches down to the A minor 7, I'm able to roll this finger down to cover the string 1 and 2, and then this one makes your A minor 7. So it goes. To a C, down to a B7, back to that A7 sus. Listen to the pouring rain, listen to it pour. Hope you have fun with the practice sheet. It's a great song.